Alright, here's a bathhouse, but it's a guest laundry area, and they have restrooms, so if you need to do some laundry on your stay right there, it would be. Alright, here is the main lobby. It's nice to see it all decorated for Christmas. Of course, right there you can make pictures with the characters. You have everything about like the food court here, not theme park hours, everything. Of course, they have concierge, and that's where you check in. Little TV, they used to have stuff playing there for the kids. They have like a nice lounging area over there. A really nice Christmas tree right now, right here. And then it gives you like what's going on for the recreation activities for November. Outside here is of course the bus unloading station right here, where they would drop you off. Alright, but we're gonna walk over this way because we're gonna go to the front of where all the buses go. Alright, so right down there is where all the buses pick you up. So it's just really nice, you know. Always like the front of all these All-Stars. I just like the big letters that they have up front. It's really nice. Alright, right there are the hours for the bus schedule. Alright guys, but we're gonna go back inside. Alright, and as you come back inside from the transportation side, right is the store Sport Goofy, which they sell all different types of Disney merch right now. Of course, they have Christmas merch, which is, of course, is featured because I am in end of November right now, going into December, so Christmas will be here soon. Yeah, but they do have quite a bit of merch, a lot. Lots of hats you can get, sunglasses. Alright, and back here towards the back is here where they have many medicines or anything that you would need that you would forget at home. They sell some drinks. They have lots of Disney snacks back here and some mugs and cups as well. Of course, the bathrooms are back that way, and then they do have some portable chargers in case you need a fuel rod. Alright, and then up here on the walls have all different sports legends and celebrities on the wall like they do. But even the wreaths are decorated for Christmas. All the Christmas wreaths that they have all hanging up, they're all decorated with sports. And then right here is the All-Star Sports of Fame. Right here, what they have. And over here we have Game Point Arcade, which is a pretty big arcade, as you can see. They have lots of games. Here's the end zone food court, the food court that they have. All similar shapes and design. And then right here, you can look and see what they all have. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they're open till normally 11 p.m. at night. So yeah. Alright, and then back here in the market is where they have a lot of refrigerated stuff. And here's where you would get all your refillable cups for your stay. And they're $21.99 for those. Back here they sell, you know, just drinks, anything refrigerated that they have. There's there's a Stitch cupcake. Yeah. There's Mickey and the Gang All-Star Baseball Team photo. So right here is the Grandstand Spirits. It's a bar that they have, and it does connect outside. So if you want to get the drinks outside as well, there's some of the stuff they have on the menu. And here's the beverages area. So this is where you would get your drinks and everything right here. And then over here is where that will be mobile pickup or pizza pickup. Alrighty guys, so I came back here in the back. It's a fairly big size food court that they have. Towards the back right now, I'm at one of the booths, and of course they have it all decorated with all the Mickey cartoons. Of course I have Donald and Daisy right behind me. But I did get the waffle bounty platter, so let's go ahead and try it. Okay, here it is. So you can choose between, you know, a side like bacon, sausage, but here I got the tater tots with it, and it does come with one Mickey waffle as well. I think it's a great deal. It's only like $12 only like 12 something for all this, so that's pretty good for all that. Alright, so I'm about to take the Mickey waffle. Right here, I'm gonna taste the Mickey waffle. So good. Those are so good. Alright guys, so we came out of the food court now. It was a good breakfast. And then we're coming back out here. They have like the penny press machine and stuff. Now we're gonna go back out onto the show you around. Right, of course they have a running trail, but here they tell you where everything's at. About 10 buildings. I'm in building 4, which is like center court area. So let's go ahead. Alrighty, right here is of course the pool area, the main pool area. It's like this section is like a surf section. Alright, and then right here's the connecting bar from inside. This is for the outside on the pool side. Alrighty, so I'm back that way, but we're gonna actually go this way first. So right there they have a little play table tennis. It looks like in this section is of course the football section. Wide out a little bit, so as you can see, this section is football. And it's nice that they have a football field basically right in the center. So basically just have a big giant football helmet you can walk under. Alright, and as we approach out of the football area, it looks like this is the baseball section, because it looks like a baseball stadium. And over there, here's a smaller pool area. Right over here in this section, in the baseball section, looks like we have Goofy right there in the center. I actually like this section. This is a pretty nice section. As you can see, it's just like a baseball stadium. Like here you can play some volleyball out here too, right here, because they have a net. Alright, so now I'm on the other side. So right here, of course, you know, this would be home base right here. So it looks like Goofy's making the pitch with a cannon out there. But here you can see it from this side. It is really nice. And then of course right over there, I can see it over that way. Right there is the music. There's the music resort, because they're all three right all next to each other. So they're all really close. But we'll keep going along here to the next section then. But I always want you to let know, like, make sure you always, you know, when you visit Walt Disney World, you always, you know, take a day and, you know, explore the resort. I always do it, like, mostly, this is my last day, I'm leaving today. I always do it on the last day, or the first day, one of the two. Mostly I do it on the last day, but make sure you always take like a day off to just, you know, even relax and, you know, and just explore the resort. Alright, looks like there are some restrooms back right there. It looks like you can play some chess out here, as this is right outside the food court. So I'm making my way out of those two sections, and we'll probably head our way towards the center court section over here, which is of course the surf section. Right here at the surf section, I think it's a big shark fin. That's what that looks like, because there are fish behind it. Really cool. So right here in the center, you can play checkers too, which is like right in the center of the surf section. Alright, and then right here in the center section, it's right over there is the basketball section, and right over here is the tennis section, which is the section that I'm in. But right here, I just want to say hi to Mickey. This Mickey's posing right here, and it just has All-Star Resorts behind him. Alright, but let's come over here and just look around a little bit over here at the basketball place, back here at the basketball area. So they have basketball all over the side of the building. It looks like here it's supposed to be like a basketball court right here. You can see the other one is over there. Looks like they have like a big whistle over there too. So right here is like basically like a big whistle that you walk under that they have. And then over here that they have. Alrighty, so right here is the tennis section now. This is where I'm at. let's go look around here a little bit. Alright, so as we come here, it looks like we have a tennis field, and Huey, Dewey, Louie, and Donald are all playing tennis. Well, they're playing baseball, looks like, but Donald's playing tennis. And so maybe that's why he's mad. But yeah, I like the detail, like on the buildings, it's all big tennis rackets. And here's Huey, Dewey, and Louie about ready to play baseball. Of course, also on the other side, they have two like big chairs where you would sit up when you would like watch tennis, where they have officials like up there watching. And then they have Donald, of course, he's still over here. Yep, right here is Donald. Alright, looking at why are the boys playing baseball? They should be playing tennis. That's probably why he's mad. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna I'll go back to the room and show you guys the room, because that's all the areas here at All Star Sports. Alright, but they do have elevators if you need to go to an elevator, so using the stairs. Alright, then of course here's where they have an ice machine, and they of course have a vending machine as well. I am 4119, so we are this way. Right here we're at room 4119 is our room, so let's go in. And here we are. Alrighty guys, so I'll just show you a little around of it. So this is just basically like all the other All-Stars. Nice that they're redoing, so I have Resort TV playing right now on the TV. But of course over here they have, you know, coffee maker if you want to have any coffee in the morning. And they have stuff for a cup bucket for ice, some cups as well. There's my Disney cup. And then I think inside here it's just another drawer. And down here they have of course a mini fridge down here as well. And then of course right here is of course a little table to eat, but this is a pull down into another queen bed that you can have. There's over there's just a little desk with a cupboard or with a little, you know, you can put stuff down there, but there's more plugs and outlets there. And then over here there's more plugs and outlets, but here you have a nice big countertop. And then of course looks like there's a Bible inside there and a safe inside there as well, but you get lots of cabinet room. Alright, let's go over here to yeah, just more space, cabinet space. And then right here that's to a connecting room, if you have a connecting room. Some hangers, some hooks if you want to hang anything. Right here's the one bed that I have up of mine. And then up there on the wall, of course they have Minnie, Mickey, and Donald. And then of course they have a phone in case you need a phone, anything or anywhere. And then right here's some of the lights, which just lights up that right there. But yeah. Alright, but I'll take you inside the bathroom now. So right here, of course, it's a slide in an outdoor. Right here is extra pillows in case you needed extra pillows. Some hangers, ironing board, iron. They got, I think, a hairdryer down there as well. And then, of course, here they have any extra towels, toilet paper, anything you might need. Of course, a sink with a big bright mirror. And as well, here's a little mirror if you need to do makeup or anything. And of course, in here is the bathroom as well. So if you need to get a shower, of course, they have it in here. A nice shower head with some towels, and of course, the toilet. And then, of course, over here, of course, they have all the Disney soaps in case you want to use the Disney soaps. All right, move the bed out a bit. So it's like that same design on some of them, like Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Of course, it'll be like each different thing for sports, movies, and music. So yeah, it's the same size, but it does come out a little bit further than that bed. So, but yeah, so this is, like I said, this can sleep up to 4 people, and this is just like a standard room. Alrighty, everyone. Well, hope you enjoyed this room tour today and I'm going around the resort. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till then, guys, I'm JBH, and of course, until the next adventure, I'll see you guys real soon. See yas!